Essay writing. An essay is a formal piece of composition presenting systematic exposition of a subject. It consists of a number of paragraphs designed and developed sequentially on the given subject. Characteristics of a good essay. An essay must be interesting. It must have unity and coherence. This implies relevance, proportion, and arrangement. An essay must be concise, and the style should be lucid, direct, and clear. It should have a personal touch given by the writer. Types of essays. Essays may be classified as 1. Descriptive, 2. Narrative, 3. Reflective, 4. Imaginative, 5. Expository. These are not mutually exclusive. For example, a descriptive essay may contain a good deal of narration, and almost all essays, irrespective of the type, have to be more reflective in nature. Descriptive essays. A descriptive essay consists of a description of some place or thing. We describe a scene, an object, or a person we have met. It can be a description of animals, plants, towns, countries, buildings, incidents, and aspects and phenomena of nature. Narrative essays. A narrative essay consists mainly of the narration of some event or a series of events. Narrative essays cover historical stories or legends, biographies, incidents, accidents or disasters, journeys or voyages, stories, real or imaginary. Reflective essays. A reflective essay is the exposition of one's thoughts on some subject. This type of essay is generally of an abstract nature. It covers habits, conventions, qualities, bravery, honesty, etc., social, political, domestic, philosophical, and religious topics. When treating such themes, one has to reason and support one's statements with facts and arguments. Imaginative essays. In this type of essay, the writer is supposed to place himself or herself in an imaginary position, and as such, he or she is not conditioned by any physical or material factors. This type covers wishes. For example, if I were the Prime Minister, or an autobiography of a car. Expository essays. An expository essay consists of an exposition or an explanation of some subject. For instance, industries, institutions, occupations, scientific topics, gravitation, space travel, literary topics, crime fiction, Ogden Nash stories. Guidelines for writing an essay. Make sure you clearly understand the subject. Write down all the points you want to include in your essay. Select all the relevant points and organize them in a logical manner. The essay must have an introduction, body, and conclusion. The essay should be divided into paragraphs. There must be a cohesive flow and a smooth transition from one paragraph to another. Each paragraph should deal with only one idea and should consist of sentences which are closely related to one another. The essay is written in a simple, concise, clear, direct, and natural style.